Hi everyone, my name is Paragpal and welcome back in my new video. In this video, I'm gonna explain you how you can easily calculate the hardwood flooring quantity within a minute. And this video is really very important because whenever you are purchasing some product for the construction from the market, it for that you need to pay some amount. And if you did not calculate properly, so you might pay the more amount for that material, and that material will be just with you as a waste, right? So for that, I have created the calculator and the easy calculations to understand how you can use this calculator to go ahead with these calculations and do your proper construction work. Okay? Before starting this video, before introducing this calculator to you, I would like to ask you guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is really important, Paragpal, because I have created lots of videos and this quality content for all of you, and most of things is gonna available in within few months time period for you all of. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, in this calculator, you need to provide some details. But before that, let's understand what are the details you should provide. Such as, first of all, room length and room width you should understand. So you have a room width of 20 feet and width of 15 feet. It means total area become 300 square feet. 20 multiplied by 15. Correct. Now you need to also consider the wastage, because whenever we do construction work, we do usually do cutting, rubbing sort of work. So for that we should consider some waste, which is a construction waste. It is not that kind of waste. So I am considering 10 percentage of the total area. So the total area multiply by 1 plus waste factor, or you can multiply by the 300 plus 300 into 10%. So you will get 330 square feet as a total area which is required for this construction. Now after this, you need a number of planks. It means the one plank, like you need to identify if there is an hardwood plank you gonna bring it out from the market, how much area it is gonna cover. So just take an example that one plank will consider 10 square feet area. So 330 divided by 10, it means total area with the waste divided by coverage per plank. You need to do that division. So you can understand that 33 planks you required for this construction work. So now I'm taking some example. Just take an example that I have a 50 feet room length and the 30 feet is a width, the total area of the room. Now I consider that whatever the plank I'm gonna bring from the market, it is 10 square feet, or just take an example 8 square feet. Okay, and I consider 5 percentage of waste factor, right? So you can see I can calculate this, so I can understand 1500 square feet is the total area. Total area including waste is 15.75 square feet, like 15,075 1575 square feet, and you required 1097 planks to do this construction. So it is very simple and very easy on your fingertips, that you just need to provide the detail of the area measurement, provide what product you are going to bring, and here we go with the results. That's what I call it as a civil notes. Okay, so don't forget to visit this website civilnotes.com, because this website is the one of the crucial website for all of you in upcoming few days, because it will definitely give you lots of information on your fingertips. Correct. So without wasting time, visit on this website and don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. Okay, I hope you like this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.